non-profit. Okay. Number 8 is hashtag career. Number 9 is hashtag educational matters. And number 10 is hashtag technology. Number 11 is hashtag new technology. Okay. Number 12 is test vlogger. Number 13 is test gadgets. Number 14 is hashtag test news. And number 15, the last one is hashtag tech trends, trends, sorry. Okay. Now, YouTube hashtag for more views. So, number one is hashtag YouTube. Number two, hashtag YouTuber. Okay. And the number three, hashtag subscribe. Number four is hashtag YouTube likes. Number five, YouTube video. And number six, YouTube marketing. Number seven, YouTube views. Number eight, Insta video. And the last one, the number 9 is hashtag Insta YouTube. Okay. Now is best YouTube hashtag to use in 2022. So the best hashtag for 2022 is hashtag YouTube. Number 2, hashtag video. Number 3, hashtag blog. Number 4, hashtag live. And number 5, hashtag live. And also number 6, hashtag YouTube channel. And the number 7 is hashtag memes. Number 8 is twist. Number 9, hashtag virals. You know the virals symbol, okay? Number 10 is lol. Okay, it's hashtag lol. Number 11 is hashtag trending. Okay. Number 12 is hashtag new video maybe. Okay. YouTube hashtag for motivational channel. So do you have a motivational channel? You can use this type of text for your video, get more views and impression like that. Okay. Number 1 is motivational. Number 2, hashtag motivational video. Number 3 is motivational. Okay, I think the spelling is not good. Okay, it's okay. Number 4 is motivational speaker. Okay, if you are a motivational speaker, you also create your motivational channel on YouTube. Okay, motivation. Number 5 is motivational video. Here is motivational videos. Here is motivational video. Is just the S or here is not S. Number 6 is hashtag inspiration. Okay, this one is good. And number 7 is hashtag success. Everyone knows about success and everyone wins success. Number 8, hashtag inspirational. This one is lol. Number 9 is hashtag never give up. I know this one. This is my rule. I also never give up with me and another man, like something in my future plan. Okay. Here is YouTube hashtag for vlog channel. So do you have a vlog channel? You can use this type of text for your vlogging channel, get more views, more subscriber, and also your video views more and more for good hashtag. Okay, YouTube hashtag for vlog channel. Number 1 is hashtag live. Number 2, hashtag live story. Number 2, hashtag live hack. Number 4, hashtag live tips. Number 5, hashtag live gan. Number 6, hashtag live story. Number 7, hashtag live